Thank you very much for that panel discussion. Next up, we have a pitch from the Institute of Biosuggestive Therapy. So stick around for that. Thank you.
Guten Abend, meine Damen und Herren. Вітаю, пані і панове. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I will speak in English. So, the time to start. The topic of my presentation is Biosuggestive Therapy, Home Relaxation. I will tell you how to use these stress reduction methods of psychotherapy just in home. So my name is Alexander Strashny. I am a medical doctor, I am a psychiatrist, psychotherapist, and the director of the Institute of Biosuggestive Therapy. Our institute is located in Kyiv, so for me it's a great honor to be here in Berlin, in Café Kyiv, to present my topic, and maybe it will be a little bit interesting. So let's go. I will stay here that you will better look this presentation, these slides. So firstly, I will tell a little bit about what does it mean, this biosuggestive therapy, in 5-6 minutes. And then I will tell you how to use home relaxation, how you can use it at home without psychologist. So first part, how to use it with psychologist, and the second part, how to use it without psychologist. So biosuggestive therapy is the methods of psychotherapy to correct so-called psychosomatic disorders. Psychosomatic disorders is body-mind disorders. Home relaxation, or what I will speaking about, you can find in YouTube. We have in English, in German, in Ukrainian, in Italian, in Hungarian, in Poland, and in French language. So these are audio sessions which anybody can use at home in this language which is convenient for person. So how it works with patients, how we work with patients, not in YouTube, but one-to-one. So this therapy is simple but effectively therapeutic technique, and we work one-to-one or we work with groups. Here you can see that how my colleague work with patients in a group. We use so-called suggestion. What does it mean, suggestion? Suggestions is it's something verbal phrases, but we use not only words, we use not only something that we say to our patient, we use only so-called non-verbal suggestion. It's something which is in audio session. Now, for this day, we have more than 900 specialists who are trained in biosuggestive therapy. How many people had therapy, we don't know, but for sure it is more than 100,000 people, maybe much more. So this method is patented. It is patented like a useful model. I like this useful model. Methods is practiced mainly in Ukraine. So many Ukrainian people use these methods and use this relaxation, audio relaxation, to reduce stress. But in other countries, also our specialists work in other countries. So, for whom is good this technique? I already tell that this technique is good for a person who has so-called psychosomatic problems, psychosomatic disorders. What does it mean, psychosomatic disorders? So this relaxation I will tell you about, people can use when they have insomnia, So bad sleep and irritability, anxiety, uncertainty about the future, the bad mood, all the thing called depression, but we don't use diagnosis, we don't say depression, we just say bad mood, fatigue, uncertainty about the future, lack of energy and others. So not only our patients, but I would say many people, maybe majority of Ukrainian people, unfortunately now have a lot of from these symptoms, from these disorders. So, but it's about psyche. But what about body? If the person have headaches, high blood pressure, unpleasant sensation somewhere in abdomen, in heart, in pains in joint, in vertebra, it's also possible to use our methods, and it's also possible to use our relaxation, YouTube relaxation, but there is a limitation. Limitation is that we cannot use these relaxation sessions if somebody have real medical problem. So first thing, to have consultation with medical doctor, and if medical doctor will not find something that needs some medication or sugary, so in this case it's possible to use our session. Why do we need these methods? There are so many other methods: mindfulness, NLP, Ericksonian hypnosis, autogen training, so many. Why do we need these methods, biosuggestive therapy? I will tell why. Our effect is very quickly. If you will listen these sessions in YouTube, you can feel positive effects just after the first session or after the second session. Our sessions pleasant. So people have not fun, have pleasure from listening this session. There are no complications. We don't know about complications because we don't see them. And there is no need for a lot of sessions. Our therapy is around no more than 8 sessions, and 8 sessions give maximum result. It's possible to use 10, 20, 100, how many, but 8 sessions is enough to achieve some good result, and then just to keep your body and your psyche in good condition. Our method had scientific verification, and based on these researches, it is written that we have 23 articles, but now it's 24 or 25, which are published in scientific journals. What does our sessions look like? Just briefly. So, when we work with our patients, we have consultation with every patient before every session. Even if it is group, no matter, we speak with everybody before sessions. The third part is biosuggestive therapeutic meditation. And this biosuggestive therapeutic meditation, just part of the therapy, it gives 50% of success. So if you will use, or not you, somebody will use just this biosuggestive therapeutic meditation, at least 50% will be the effectiveness of this. Some of our patients tell, if somebody believe in some method, so there will be result. If somebody don't believe, so you don't need to believe in these methods. Yes, I told that it's necessary to medical examination. So now I will explain you concretely how to use these home audio sessions. If now on your telephone you will scan this QR code, you will get to our website, and there is in our website you will find these different sessions, these different relaxation meditations in that language if you like. So just to go to our website and just to put this language which you want to put. The duration of audio sessions just 18 minutes. We don't need more, 30, 40, 50, no, 18 minutes, enough for have a good result. When we work with patients, we touch them, but when you listen, not you, somebody will listen these meditations, audio sessions, so there is no touch. So how the methods works? Very easily. When the person touch somebody else, there are some in brain, some centers which react for 100%. When the person touch himself, these centers react only for 10%. So it's not necessary to touch myself. But when the person just imagine that somebody touched him, these centers work on 60–70%. So that is enough for a good result. It's enough only to imagine how the palm of therapist is touching neck or chest or something else. 1 minute before session. So it's understandable that nothing can disturb you. So you must close the door, switch off the telephone, and try to find a comfortable position, and so you know what people must be prepared for meditation. Feedback, I will not read you feedback from our patients, it is on our website, but this is these pictures we use in the work with our patients. And from our experience, you know, when the patient come, we ask them to put, how do you feel in general? Majority of our patients put or this or that. I feel this or this or this, but after 7 or 8 sessions, majority of our people put the best, 9 or 10 that I feel good. So that is not a scientific diagnosis, but it's just in general people feel this when they come and this when therapy is over. We make some trainings, so also just come to our site and there is an information where is possible to have or psychological treatment. Psychologists don't say treatment, they say correction, body-mind correction, emotional correction. But medical doctors say treatment. So you can find where to find psychologist or medical doctor, or where to find these courses, this training. So it's all what I wanted to tell you. So I just wish you a good listening, and we also finish our sessions with the words, be happy and be healthy. So I wish everybody, not only in this auditorium, I wish every German person, every Ukrainian person, just in general, everybody, be healthy and be happy. Thank you for attention. Slava Ukraini! Danke Deutschland! Danke Deutschland! Thank you.